Hello boys, so today I will going to try to explain to you what is my code on a simplest form. So yeah, our goal is to copy this right side here, this message pattern. Okay, I will try to speak clearly this time so that you can understand me. Okay, let's start. First off is to create a rectangle right here. So let's start that by putting this rectangle on the center. I mean this square to position absolute margin auto inset 0. These three line of codes would put the element on the center. So now that it is centered, we need to change its color to this sky blue. Alright. And next is the size. Let's increase the height as well as the width. Okay, and let's check the difference between the original and our code, our element. Alright, we can see a little adjustments to be made here on the height, so let's increase it by 10 pixel. Okay, that's enough. What I'm looking is this right here on the top center of this rectangle. As you can see, it is in line with the original, with the top center of the element we want to copy. Okay, now next is the width. So the same process, we need to increase this, but be sure to make this in line, just right. Okay, now that we have created a box or a rectangle that has the same size as this, we need to make this corner rounded, right? So to make a rounded corner, you will say border radius 50%. Okay, now we have an oval or an ellipse. As you can see, it is perfect. Now we have to name this oval. So name this oval the CSS rule. Next is the circle inside this oval, these three circles here. So we can actually create just one circle like this and copy the oval. I don't want to write the code from scratch. Name this circle. Okay, so from here, the first thing we gotta do is change its color to this one, the same as the background color. So copy this, change the sky blue to this dark yellow, and reduce the width. So the width and the height need to be the same. So if this is 100, the height is also 100. Okay, to create a circle. So what you notice here is that our circle is too big for the original, so we need to decrease the size. Maybe around 20 pixel. That's too little. 40. Let's try. 35. This is the problem when the element or the element is not aspect ratio. The height is not aspect ratio, because when you want a circle, when you want to change the size of a circle, you need to manually edit the width as well as the height. But if you make the height an aspect ratio, this would adapt the size of the width. So whatever the size of the width is, it would be the same as the height. So when I say 40, yeah, I only change the value of the width and the height follows. So from here, let's say 35. Okay, 35 is still bigger. We can adjust this smaller. Yeah, 30. Okay, check the difference. And 30 is kinda weird stuff. So 30 is the closest for me. 30 is the closest. So from here, to create the left and the right circle, we can just say or use the box shadow property. This would lie on the left side, so negative 50 pixel, 0, 0, and the color is the same as the background. Okay, this would mean this line just means that it pushes the circle. It creates a copy of a circle here in the center. It creates a copy of the circle in the center and pushes it on the left side. So yeah, this is what it means. We can increase or decrease the offset. Okay, 70. Yeah, that would do. And for the right side, we can repeat the same code right here. Copy the left, paste it on the second comma, yeah, and make this positive. So what this does is that it pushes the circle, it puts the circle on the right side. Okay, the last thing we're gonna do is the triangle over here. It is not really a triangle, it's actually a square right here, a square that is offset or on top of this oval. So the upper half is not visible because it has the same color as the oval. So we can create here a square. Copy the circle. So from here, name this square and remove the box shadow. We don't need a copy of this. We only need one square, and the color is, for now, let's change the color to black so that we won't be confused. Okay, now we have a black circle in the middle. Remove the box, the border radius, because we are aiming for square, not circle. Alright, to move this to the bottom left side, we have to put 4 values here, or 4 parameters on the inset property, and the first parameter is positive value, so that it would push this element on the to the bottom. Okay, so 100, yeah, and the second value must be positive as well, so that it would push this element on the left side. So 100 pixel as well, like 200. Oh, check the difference. Adjust slightly, 190. Alright, perfect. Now the bottom is 90. Okay, now we're talking. It is perfect. All that's left to do is to change this black color to sky blue so that it would blend to the color of the oval. And last but not the least is the background. So body property, background, body element, body selector, background property, and the value is this called submit. Yeah, I hope you learned something today, and that would be all. 100%. See you next time.